What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Anthony, back with another video. And in this video, we're going to do a walkthrough of this abandoned house that I purchased to flip. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As we make our way to the kitchen, you'll see that the walls are yellow because the previous owners were smokers. So I'm gonna have to do 2 coats of primer and 1 coat of paint just to get everything looking nice. The cabinets are primed and painted, and the fireplace will be wrapped in Alaska gray ledger stone. As we make our way to the laundry room, you'll see that it's pretty spacious, and also this is the flooring that I will be using throughout the whole house. Friend Dad painted the doors for me, which turned out great. And we also knocked down the wall that was separating the 2 rooms because it wasn't load bearing to make it an open floor plan house. Now that I showed you all 3 bedrooms and both bathrooms, let's speed up the video.